How to reset Snapchat password without old email password and number. So if you want to reset your Snapchat password without your old email password and number, then you can do that with your application. Open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Tap on the search and search for Snapchat support. Once you've searched, go for the first search. Here you can simply scroll down and tap on contact us, and then it will take you to help.snapchat.com, and from here you can submit a request. So you can simply choose I can't access my account and then scroll down, and here you can choose another option and tap on I forgot my password, and from here you can enter the instructions. So you need to simply tap on yes, and from here you need to enter the username of your Snapchat account with no spaces, and you need to enter the email address which you have used to create your account, and then the mobile number which you have used to create your account, and you need to enter the country code at the front. And then under the description you need to write that I need to reset my Snapchat password, but I don't have access to my old email password and number, so please help me with that. And once you enter that, you need to simply tap on submit, which is on the middle of your screen, and Snapchat will help you after that. That's the only way to reset your Snapchat password without old email password and number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.